What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today, you already saw the title, we are going to be hitting fruits with this bat right here that Jacob has. We're going to be hitting the stuff with that, so let's just get right into the video. You already saw the stuff, so yeah, let's just get right into the video. Woo! Alright guys, got the first little bit of poop-a-doody, you know what I'm saying? See how this works? On the man. Alright, boy, you ready? Underhand toss.
Wow. What is
What a
that?
swing, what a swing. Alright, boys. Bro! Oh, alright, I'm taking this thing off. That is how poop does against the metal bat. Now it's time to go get the apple. Alright guys, so now we officially have the apple. You can see right here, we're going to be hitting this. Or I'll be throwing it, he'll be hitting it. You ready? Bro! That literally almost hit me.
It's
like
raining
that close away.
apples from out of the sky. Apples.
Alright.
No need to say why. Now we see we're doing a little switcheroo with the batters, and we got a perfectly good banana. Then we're gonna be chucking at him. Ready?
Oh yeah, boy.
Set. Oh, it's still intact. Wait. Let's do it again.
Oh. Half of it's down. Dogs are getting a little treat out of this one.
We got a little flappy mess right here.
I'm gonna try to hit the chunk. Ah!
And a swing and a miss.
Alright.
I ain't not catching that thing.
Come on, bro, one more.
Now it's just like a big blobber.
Move back. Oh my god.
He tipped it. Dude, this is... Okay, well that's his mess to pick up now. Don't you dare throw that at me. No. Don't throw that. Don't. Ah, no. It's on my shoes.
Let's go. Alright, so now guys, we have the tomato right here. He'll be throwing, Jacob will be throwing it,
I
I'll
have
be
banana on
hitting
my
it.
shoe. Look at that. That's so disgusting.
So we got the tomato.
See, is it ripe? Oh, it is ripe. Okay, we're good. Let's see what we got. Oh! Okay.
Alright boys, last throw.
No.
I suck at batting, guys, just to let you know.
Oh!
Hey! Bro! That got in my hair, man.
These dogs are gonna have diarrhea for life.
Alright, let's go get the next object.
So now we got up an orange. Pretty sure this is not like... Oh, never mind. It is like a tomato. Just now my thumb's stuck.
Dude! Yes.
Let's go! Ah!
Let's go!
Wait. Look.
That
So
was
he's
so
right here.
far.
The piece of orange came all the way over here. And it's right there. That is some insane stuff. That is some incredible stuff, dude.
And this is the remains of the orange, right here. Bro, like, look at the remains of that. Do a little squeeze test. Ooh. Alright guys, now we have the potato. Or the potato, as actual civil people say. But we've got the potato, you know, still a little bit of whatever you call those things. Clovers, whatever. You got some of those. Fresh. Alright.
Let's go!
Potato throw number 1. Ow! Dude!
Explosion among the men.
Bro, that potato went all the way over here. It literally flew all the way back. It landed right there. Guys. Swing and a miss. Guys, that was the biggest hit ever. Still swinging and missing over here. Look at this. Oh, what a hit! What a hit! What a hit! What a hit! Oh yeah, he hit it! Woo! Thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel and comment in the comment section down below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave ideas in the comment section below. And we are posting almost every single week. We're trying to stay on schedule, but with school and everything, you know, it gets hard sometimes. But we will be trying to post every single week, so don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you get that notification when we post something. And until next time when we post another banger video, we will see you guys.
I'm 14, not 13. Let's go! So yummy!